Welcome to your grade 12s. Today I want us to look at the calculations under the conservation of linear momentum. Okay? Yes. Alright. So the very first thing that I want us to do is to clarify which formula are we going to use actually. Because yes, it's the very same formula, but are we going to combine the objects or whatever the case may be? No, we're not going to combine the masses because the objects initially were separate even after the collision were separate. So mean that we're going to also separate our variables. Okay, we're calculating the sum initially as well as the sum after the collision. Alright, so by the way, on this side we have the sum of the initial momentum and the sum of the final momentum on the other side. Alright, so you can clearly see that we have object A moving with 8 meters per second about to collide with object B, which is 5 kg, which is stationary, as well as the significance of the velocity of its initial velocity, which is equals to 0. So also the final velocity in the side of the sum of the final momentum. Now object A have already collided with object B, in that they collided with object B. So pushing object B to the west, okay? Yes, to the west, it's a very same direction. Alright. But now also object A continues to move to the western direction. Alright? Yes. So we have the initial velocity, we're about to calculate that, which is equal to the sum of momentum after the final momentum. Right. So the objects are separated there. So the mass of A multiplied by its initial velocity plus the mass of B multiplied by its initial velocity is equal to the mass of A multiplied by its multiplied by its final velocity plus mass of B multiplied by its final velocity. There. Alright. So we have the mass of A. The mass of A is 20. So we have 20. So the initial velocity is 8 plus the mass of B is 5. The initial velocity of B is 0 is equal to the mass of A. The mass of A is 20 multiplied by its velocity we're looking for. So the mass of B is 5 multiplied by its initial velocity, which is 3, right? Yes, 3 meters per second. So 20 multiplied by 8 is 160 plus 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 20 VFA, final velocity of A plus 15. Alright, what we have to do here, so we have 160 here. So let's take 15 to this side so that we can solve for the final velocity of A. So when you take 16 to this side, it's going to be minus. So 160 minus 15, 160 minus 15 is equal to 145. 145 is equal to 20 VFA. Okay, yes, so divide by 20 so that you can calculate the unknown variable. So this cancel this, we're left with the final velocity of A, of object A is equal to 145 divided by 20. 20 is 7.25 meters per second. Which direction? Westwards. Okay? Yes, to the west. To the west, as you can see, right? So sorry, to the west, as you can see. And that's how it goes. And that's the end of our lesson video. Please try to practice for more lesson plans through your question papers, through revising from the channel, and have a good day. Cheers.